Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Statue of Liberty. Standing tall on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, she has welcomed countless immigrants to American shores, a beacon of hope and a symbol of freedom for well over a century. Today we'll uncover fascinating details about its construction and history, peeling back the layers of copper and steel to reveal the ingenuity and artistry beneath. Join me as we journey back in time to the very birth of this enduring monument. Imagine, if you will, the bustling workshops of Paris in the late 1800s. Here, a dream began to take shape, a dream of a colossal statue, a gift from the people of France to the United States. Construction began in 1875, a mammoth undertaking that would consume nearly a decade. The sculptor Frederick Auguste Bartholdi envisioned a figure of such immense scale that it would inspire awe in all who beheld her. But how does one even begin to construct a figure so large? The answer lay in a unique approach, building it in sections. Over 300 copper sheets, meticulously hammered into shape, formed the statue's skin. This outer layer, though seemingly thin, was supported by a complex internal framework designed by none other than Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower. Piece by piece, Lady Liberty began to rise above the Parisian skyline, her torch held high, a beacon of hope even before she crossed the Atlantic. The year is 1884. The Statue of Liberty, fully assembled in Paris, stands as a testament to human ambition and international collaboration. But her journey was far from over. She had to reach her designated home, Liberty Island in New York Harbor. Disassembling this majestic symbol of freedom was a painstaking task. Each copper plate, each iron beam carefully catalogued and packed for the transatlantic voyage. Imagine the scene. Lady Liberty disassembled into over 350 pieces, loaded onto the French frigate Isère. The journey, fraught with the perils of the open ocean, lasted several weeks. Finally, on June 17, 1885, the precious cargo arrived in New York, greeted by a city abuzz with anticipation. Chapter 3, Rebuilding a Dream, Lady Liberty finds her home. With the arrival of the Statue of Liberty in New York, a new challenge arose: how to reassemble this gigantic jigsaw puzzle on a small island in the middle of the harbor. A specially designed pedestal, built with funds raised by the American people, awaited. For over 4 months, workers toiled tirelessly, hoisting the massive copper sections into place, bolting them to Eiffel's ingenious iron framework. It was a monumental undertaking, a symbol of unity and shared purpose between two nations. Finally, on October 28, 1886, the Statue of Liberty was officially dedicated, a beacon of freedom welcoming all who arrived on America's shores. Chapter 4. A legacy in copper and steel inside the Statue of Liberty. Today, millions of visitors flock to Liberty Island each year, drawn by the allure of this iconic landmark. But what lies within the Statue of Liberty herself? A spiral staircase winds its way upwards, 162 steps leading to the crown, offering breathtaking views of the city and harbor. Imagine climbing those steps, feeling the weight of history beneath your feet, the echoes of millions who have made the same journey. While the climb to the crown is a physical challenge, an elevator offers access to the pedestal, where visitors can marvel at the intricate ironwork of Gustave Eiffel's design. Within the pedestal, the Statue of Liberty Museum showcases the fascinating history of this iconic monument, from its conception in France to its enduring legacy as a global symbol of freedom. Chapter 5. An enduring symbol. The Statue of Liberty today. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France, has transcended its origins to become a powerful symbol of hope, freedom, and democracy for people around the world. She stands as a testament to the power of collaboration, the triumph of human spirit, and the enduring pursuit of liberty for all. As you gaze upon this magnificent structure, remember the countless hands that brought her into being, the dreams she embodies, and the values she represents. The Statue of Liberty is more than just a monument. She is a beacon, a reminder that freedom is a precious and fragile gift, one that we must all strive to protect and uphold. Outro, a timeless symbol. the enduring legacy of Lady Liberty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and construction of the Statue of Liberty. From her humble beginnings in a Parisian workshop to her reign over New York Harbor, she has inspired generations with her message of hope and freedom. As we've seen, the Statue of Liberty is more than just a monument. It's a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and the enduring pursuit of a better tomorrow. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world's most iconic landmarks.